This video explains the steps required to swap the MAXPRO200 mechanized torch lead to the MAXPRO200 manual torch lead. Step 1. Remove the cover to the ignition enclosure. Step 2. Remove the existing mechanized torch lead hoses from the IOPCB. The hoses include coolant return hose, red in color; plasma gas hose, black in color; pilot arc shield gas hose, blue in color; lead coolant supply hose, blue in color with green tape. Remove the existing torch lead CPC connector too. Then remove the complete mechanized torch lead assembly from the ignition enclosure. Step 3. Insert the manual torch lead assembly into the ignition enclosure. Install the CPC connector to the CPC receptacle and turn clockwise to tighten it. Then install the torch lead hoses to their respective ports on the IOPCB as shown. The hoses include coolant return hose, red in color; plasma gas hose, black in color; pilot arc shield gas hose, blue in color; lead coolant supply hose, blue in color with green tape. After that, lock the lead collar to the ignition enclosure. Step 4. Prepare the manual cutting operations work lead as shown. Step 5. Remove the connection of the existing work lead, which is linked to the mechanized table, from the IOPCB. Remove work lead from ignition enclosure. Step 6. Insert work lead for the manual cutting operations into the ignition enclosure. Then install the work lead onto the IOPCB and tighten the nut. Finally, install the enclosure cover. The swapping procedure is now complete, and you can operate the MAXPRO200 system using the manual torch. For more information, please refer to the MAXPRO200 instruction manual. Thank you for watching.